Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I have an exciting Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well, and thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. And let's jump right into this Dollar Tree haul. So one of the first items that I found were these cool books that are actually decorative boxes that Dollar Tree brought out this year for Halloween. And I love the fact that they do come in 3 different sizes, but I only found the big ones. And so I was just super excited to at least come across these ones. And they are just so well made. They are by Greenbrier Industries, and I absolutely love them. And they got that vintage look to it. I actually wanted a couple different sizes so I could do some DIYs with it. But like I said, I'm just grateful I did come up with these ones. Then I came across the cherry pie pictures. I've hauled the other 3 that Dollar Tree had in stock. I actually forgot this one, so now that I came across it, I'm like, yes, I got my whole set. It's pumpkin pie, apple pie, and pecan pie, and now I got the cherry. Then I also came across this cute picture, a spooky witch and her boo haunts here. They have 4 different styles to choose from, but I'm trying to go for like that Hocus Pocus 2 type of look, so that's why I'm grabbing anything with witches or anything like that. Then I came across this Pixar Coco. This is the character Miguel from Disney Coco movie. One of my favorite movies. And I'm actually going to do a DIY out of this. Then I came across this cool picture that says stop by for a spell. And I'm actually going to take this loose and do a DIY with this. And this is actually, I don't think it'll be out this year, but probably next year. I just got to plan ahead and do some, collecting some items. And then I got this cool picture. This is the neighbors have the good candy with the skeleton pointing the right to the right. And it's actually a lie. I have all the good candy. And this is also by Greenbrier's Industry. Then another wish list find that I found were these cool pumpkins. They do light up. They are LED light up pumpkins. They come in these 3 different colors. And also by Greenbrier as well. And it comes the purple, the orange, and the black. And they're pretty bright too when you light them. That one, I do have to get more batteries. It was the last one at my store. But I was like, you know what, I'll just take it. It's cool. I also came across these cool Arthur plush toys. That's Arthur. And they're about 6 to 7 inches tall. I am planning on donating these for like a kid's Tots for Toys or my local homeless shelter for Christmas. And that's Francine. Then you got Buster Bunny. And of course, we cannot forget about Arthur's sister, DW. Like I said, they're just so cute. Now, this next one was definitely a wish list find. Childhood memory all the way. The Bernstein Bear plush toys as well. That's Papa Bear. And I could actually kick myself because for some reason I forgot Mama Bear, which I have to go back and get her. And there's Sister Bear with the cute little overalls. And these are also about 6 to 7 inches tall. And this is Brother Bear. And like I said, I do have to get Mama Bear. This is a childhood favorite. I mean, I grew up reading their books. They made me scared to death to talk to strangers for the longest because the book Don't Talk to Strangers. And this just definitely brought childhood memories back all the way. So I'm going to actually put it on top of our bookshelves. But super, super cute. Then I came across these gorgeous plates that Dollar Tree brought in this year. I only grabbed 6 of them because I'm the one cooking and doing all the Thanksgiving food, so I don't want to do dishes as well. So I just grabbed 6 plates. They also had the oven mitts and the pot holders. That's a set of 2. And the mitten only comes 1, and that one says gather. They also have the matching dessert plate that says gather as well, with that's matching the oven mitt, if that makes sense. And they also had the bowls, the coffee cups, and the regular glass drinking cups. But like I said, I just grabbed the plates right now. I'm still debating if I'm going to grab everything else. And they also have the microfiber towels that match as well, that says gather. Super gorgeous. I definitely don't use them to be drying my hands or nothing. This is strictly for decoration. And they also have the dish drying mat, which is gorgeous as well. It is 12 by 18 or 12 by 10. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on right now. But just the whole set is gorgeous. I mean, we're normally used to seeing the fall leaves plates, but this year they brought these out, and along with the placemats. Like I said, super gorgeous. I'm still debating if I'm going to go back and grab the dessert plates, the bowls, and the cups. I mean, if you are entertaining this year, I say definitely don't pass them up. They are simply gorgeous, but like I said, I don't want to be cooking and doing dishes at the same time, so I just trying to make things less hectic this year. And that's what the whole set looks like. Like I said, don't pass it up. It's so gorgeous. Then I came across these cool Monster Jam dirt toys. These are kinetic sand refills. It doesn't come with any toys inside of it, anything like that. I ended up picking up 3. 2 of them went to my kiddos, and 1 we're going to actually donate for Kids for Tots or some kind of toy drive this year. Then I came across the Luma Essence fragrance oils. This one is the Harvest Berries. I'm going to do a DIY with that, and of course I will share that video with you guys. I just need to get more supplies for it. And also this is the Pumpkin French Toast one. I'm just hoping they work and that they smell, the fragrance lasts. So we'll see how that goes. They are both 0.5 ounces. I mean, they smell good in the bottle, but what I'm going to use it for, we'll see. And the Friends Trivia card game. I could not pass this up. I will link my Come With Me video of the ones that they had at the time that I went. They had The Office and Seinfeld, if you guys are interested in that. But I'm a Friends fanatic. I love the show. So I grabbed these. You know, you can't pass that up for $125. I just thought that was a great find. Who's your favorite Friends character? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're going to be cooking or entertaining this year. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome day. And I will see you guys in my next Dollar Tree haul. This is my headboard. It does do different lightings and shades of colors and stuff. But again, I hope you guys enjoy your day.